The concept of the singularity represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of technology, particularly artificial intelligence, AI. This hypothetical point, where AI achieves self-sustaining growth and advances without human intervention, is often viewed as a transformative shift in human history. This exploration delves into the definition and historical background of the singularity, its technological foundations, potential impacts on society, ethical considerations, regulatory frameworks, human-AI coexistence, and varying perspectives on its timeline. Welcome back to AI Finds. Today we're diving into one of the most debated topics of our time. Get ready for an in-depth exploration and analysis as we uncover all sides of this fascinating subject. The term singularity was first introduced by mathematician and computer scientist John von Neumann in the mid-20th century, referring to a point where technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible. However, it was Werner Vinge, a retired professor and science fiction author, who popularized the concept in his 1993 essay, The Coming Technological Singularity, where he predicted that superhuman intelligence would emerge around 2030. Ray Kurzweil, another prominent futurist, further developed this idea, forecasting that by 2045, AI would reach a point of exponential self-improvement, leading to an intelligence explosion that would surpass human understanding. The theoretical underpinnings of the singularity hinge on the notion that once AI reaches human-level intelligence, it will be capable of recursively improving its own algorithms and hardware. This recursive self-improvement could lead to rapid advancements in technology that are beyond human comprehension or control. As such, the singularity is considered a monumental shift because it could redefine not only technological landscapes, but also economic systems, social structures, and even human identity itself. Several key technologies are foundational to the potential realization of the singularity. Let's explain one by one. Machine learning. ML algorithms enable computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. This is crucial for developing AI systems capable of complex decision-making. Neural networks. These are modeled after the human brain and are essential for tasks like image recognition and natural language processing. They are becoming increasingly sophisticated and efficient. Quantum computing. This emerging technology has the potential to process information at unprecedented speeds, which could significantly accelerate AI development. Self-improving algorithms. Algorithms that can modify themselves based on performance feedback are critical for achieving recursive self-improvement. Current progress in these areas is promising. For instance, advancements in deep learning have led to significant breakthroughs in AI capabilities within specific domains. However, achieving true artificial general intelligence, or AGI, AI that can understand and learn any intellectual task that a human can, remains a challenge. Projections for reaching singularity-level intelligence vary widely among experts, with some optimistic about its arrival within a few decades, while others remain skeptical about whether it can be achieved at all. The emergence of superintelligent AI could transform various aspects of human life. Economic systems. Traditional capitalist structures may become obsolete as AI takes over jobs across sectors. This raises questions about income distribution and economic sustainability. Healthcare. AI could revolutionize medical diagnostics and treatment plans through personalized medicine based on vast data sets. Transportation. Autonomous vehicles powered by advanced AI could enhance safety and efficiency in transportation systems. Education. Personalized learning experiences facilitated by AI could cater to individual student needs, improving educational outcomes. While these advancements hold tremendous potential for solving global challenges, such as climate change or disease outbreaks, they also pose significant risks. Job displacement is a major concern as automation threatens traditional employment roles. Additionally, increased dependency on AI could lead to vulnerabilities in societal structures if not managed effectively. As we approach the possibility of superintelligent AI, several ethical questions arise. For instance, rights of AI consciousness. If AI achieves consciousness or self-awareness, Should it be granted rights similar to those of humans? Control over superintelligent AI. Should humans impose limits on an entity that may surpass our intelligence? The debate centers around whether we should allow unrestricted development or implement strict controls. Risks associated with superintelligent AI include alignment issues, ensuring that AI's goals align with human values, and unintended consequences from actions taken by an autonomous entity. The potential for uncontrollable behavior poses existential threats that must be carefully considered as we advance toward this future. The trajectory toward the singularity necessitates robust governance frameworks involving governments, tech leaders, and international coalitions. Effective policies should focus on ethical development, ensuring that AI technologies are developed responsibly with consideration for societal impacts. Collaboration, encouraging cooperation among nations to establish global standards for AI safety and ethics. Regulatory measures, implementing regulations that prevent monopolistic practices in AI development while promoting innovation. The Asilomar AI principles serve as a foundational framework for ethical guidelines in AI research and development. However, there is concern about potential biases in these frameworks favoring certain companies or governments over others. The future relationship between humans and superintelligent AI may take various forms. Collaboration, humans and AI working together to solve complex problems. Augmentation, enhancing human capabilities through symbiotic relationships with intelligent systems. Competition, potential conflicts arising from resource competition between humans and AIs. Frameworks for integrating AI into society must prioritize preserving human agency while leveraging the strengths of intelligent systems. This balance is crucial to ensure that humanity retains control over its future direction. Opinions vary widely regarding when or if the singularity will occur. Optimists, like Kurzweil, predict imminent advancements leading to singularity within a few decades. Skeptics, however, argue that significant barriers exist, ranging from technical limitations to ethical dilemmas, that may prevent true superintelligence from being realized. This divergence reflects broader debates within the field about the feasibility of achieving AGI and the implications it would have on society. While the concept of the singularity presents exciting possibilities for technological advancement, it also raises profound ethical questions and societal challenges. As we continue to explore this frontier, careful consideration must be given to how we navigate the path toward a future where superintelligent AI plays an integral role in our lives. What do you think about singularity? Let us know in the comment below, and do not forget to subscribe our channel AI Finds, where we explore the latest trends.